Alright, so here's another example of an optimization problem. Again, as I mentioned in the first example here, for all optimization problems, you're given a constraint, and based on that constraint, has to find either the minimum or maximum of something. Okay? So in this case, they actually give us the constraint equation up front, so we don't actually have to come up with it. Here it says, if A is equal to 3B minus 12. So that's our constraint. I mean, no matter what, A and B have to have that relationship. Then it goes on to say, find the minimum value of the product AB. So that right there is what they're asking us to optimize. In this case, we're asked to find a minimum. Okay. So AB, I'll call it, I don't know, I just call it P. Oops. P is equal to AB, product, P being product. Okay. That's what we want to find the minimum of. Okay. So, you have your constraint equation. You have your equation that you're looking to optimize, either find the minimum or maximum of, okay, which in this case we're trying to find the minimum. So your constraint equation allows you to make it so that your optimization equation here will only have one variable, because right now we have A and B, and we'd like to eliminate it so there's only one variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace, where I see A here, I'm going to replace it with 3B minus 12. So right here instead of A, 3B minus 12 times B, okay? And the next step is always then, once you replace that, after you have your constraint equation, your optimization equation, you replace the variables. Now it's only in one variable, just B in this case. Then you want to take the deriv and set it equal to 0. Before I take the deriv here, though, I am going to distribute this B. I mean, you could take the deriv now using the product rule, but I think it'd be easier to just distribute it. Make it 3B squared minus 12B. Okay. Then I'm going to take the deriv, P prime, and that's going to be 6B minus 12, and set that equal to 0. And that's where the maximum is going to be occurring at. And so in this case, I'm going to get 6B is equal to 12, so B is equal to 2. Now I've got to be careful and look to see, okay, what is the question actually asking me here? It's saying to find the minimum value of the product AB. So, that product occurs when B is equal to 2, but I have to actually find what that product is. So in order to do that, I need to find, okay, well, what does A equal? So in this equation right here, I'm going to plug 2 in for B. So I get that A is equal to 3 times 2 minus 12. So that means that A is going to be equal to negative 6. So the product A times B is the minimum when it is negative 12. That is the actual answer to this one right here.